Hi everybody, how are you? Today we're looking at diphthong sounds, the sound oi. Oi is a combination of two different vowel sounds put together to create the oi sound. To begin, make the O sound. So you need to round your lips like this. O. Repeat after me. O. Then lift your tongue high in the mouth and shift your tongue forward to make the E sound. Then we get the oi. Oi. In one syllable words, there's two ways of spelling the oi sound. It's O-I or O-Y. Only see the O-I in the middle of the word and the O-Y at the end of a word. Now let's have a look at some examples. O-I as in oil. B-oil, boil. F-oil, foil. K-oin, coin. V-oid, void. And n-ois, noise. Have a look at the O-Y spelling as in boy. B-oy, boy. J-oy, joy. T-oy, toy. K-oy, coy. And finally, ploy. Ploy, ploy. So, I've got a challenge for you. I'd like you to practice the oi sound with the following tongue twister. Awful, oil, ollie, oils, oily, autos. So, see how you go with the tongue twister. That's it for today. And remember, practice, practice makes perfect. So, again, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.